Hello guys, myself is Raji Prabha. In this video, we are going to discuss about introduction on Looker BA. I mean, it's like who was invented Looker BA and what is the difference between Looker BA and other BA tools. So we have a lot of tools in the market, which are Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense, MicroStrategy, and we are going to discuss what is the difference between Looker BA and other BA tools. Okay, so nowadays, guys, most of the companies are using the Looker BA for their visualization purpose, for their business intelligence, and it is a cloud-based BI tool. So it's a pure cloud-based BA tool. We no need to maintain any infrastructure. So we just access the Looker BI, and the infrastructure will be handled by the Looker team. So earlier the Looker was separate organization. It is separate organization called Looker, and three years back it was acquired by the Google team. Now it is part of their cloud platform. So now it's a not Looker BI, it's a Google Looker BI, one of the greatest visualization tool in the Google products. And so I have some presentation for you guys. So in this video, we are going to discuss all these topics. One second. Yeah, so we are going to discuss all these topics in this today's video. So let's say what is the Looker introduction, why we should learn Looker BA, and difference between the Looker BA and other BA tools, how to access the Looker BA, and what are the prerequisite to learn Looker BA. Okay, what are the prerequisite to learn Looker BA and Looker BA benefits. So coming to introduction, right, it's a cloud-based BA tool. So there is separate language called LookML language. Using the LookML language, we develop the code. Okay, don't think it is a complex code. It's very easy code. Then compared to Power BI, Looker BI is very easy. So compared to Power BI, Looker BI is very easy, because in Power BI we have to learn DAX. There are a lot of things will be there, but in Looker BI we don't have that complex DAX functions. So we can easily implement the any kind of dimensions and measures with the perfect decisions. And see, if any a new person wants to learn Power BI, right, at least it will take 3 to 4 months generally. But compared to Power BI, so it's very easy to learn Looker BI. So if you take 3 months to learn Power BI, just 1 month is enough to learn Looker BI. I'm just saying the on an average. And why Looker BI? Because while looking at the name, it's a Google product. So since it is a Google product, so there will be a lot of features. So if you learn Looker BI, if you choose Looker BI for your visualization in your organization, so there will be good support from the Google team. And not only that, right, there is a lot of other products which are available in GCP. So where we are using the Looker BI as a BI tool, and we have other BI other features as well that we can discuss in the later videos. Coming to Tableau, Power BI versus Looker BI, right? So as I said, Looker BI is a purely cloud-based BI tool, so we don't need to maintain any infrastructure. And comparatively, see, Power BI is a Microsoft product, whereas Looker BI is a Google product. So we can choose either of the one, but I prefer the Looker BI over the Power BI because the simplicity and all. So we can easily maintain the code, and it's very fast. See, if you develop any BI platform with Power BI, right, there will be a data limitation. So we can have only 20 GB of data per model. But when it comes to Looker BI, right, we don't have any problem. So we can access or we can query the huge amount of data. Let's say TBs of data with very less amount of time. Next, how to access Looker BI? The thing is, right, so we cannot install any software in our local machine. So we can only access Looker BI from the cloud only. So we have separate platform, we call it as a Google Cloud Platform where we can access the Looker BA. So these steps I'll discuss in the next or upcoming video. Next, Looker BA prerequisites. So for any BA tool, not only Looker BA, right? So if we have a basic SQL knowledge, that's really great for your career. So without SQL knowledge, it's very hard to or survive in a BA platform. So if you have good knowledge on SQL, I'm not saying PL SQL, it's just enough SQL knowledge. If you learn SQL with basic fundamentals of SQL, that's really great help for you guys. So that's the prerequisite for Looker BA. So you don't need to learn any other BA tool to learn Looker BA. If you have a SQL knowledge, that's more than enough. Next, the Looker benefits. As I said earlier, Looker is a cloud-based BA tool. So we no need to maintain any infrastructure at all. So we just access the product. Like it's a product as service. So we can directly access the product. Next best advantage is Git integration. As of now, except Looker BA, no other BA tool is having a Git integration. It's a major difference between Looker BA to other BA tools. Means since we have a Git integration, multiple developers can simultaneously work on Looker BA without disturbing other code, other efforts. If you work in Power BI in other BA tool, right? If you guys work on the same project, same model, so end of the day we have to sit together and we have to copy the code from one machine to another machine. It can be a buggy. But if you use Looker BA with Git integration, right? Simultaneously multiple people, hundreds of developers can work simultaneously without breaking other code. That's how the powerful of Git integration with Looker BA. And next point is data limitation. So as I said earlier, so there is no data limitation in Looker BA. So you can query TBs of data with less time. And as I said, it's a Google product. So with Looker, right? So even we can use BigQuery as a database. Most of the companies when they use Looker BA, they use BigQuery as well. So if you have an integration with Looker BA and BigQuery, right? That's a kind of added advantage for you guys. And next, integration with data science and machine learning. There is a feature called data science and machine learning with Looker BA. So Google team is developing to establish the connection from the Looker BA to data science and machine learning, because the upcoming technologies completely depends on the data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Those kind of capabilities will be provided by the Looker BA for us. That is the reason. So Looker BA is a good competitor for any other BA tools. Okay. So coming to the top trending BA tools, right? The first place goes to Tableau, second place goes to Power BI, and Looker BA is in third place as of now. So, but down the line there will be tough competition between the Power BI and Looker BI. If I'm not wrong, Power BI will replace either first place or second place, maybe down the line. Okay, since it is one of the greatest BI tool, and it's kind of cloud based BI tool, and it having the Git integration, there is no data limitation. That is the reason. So Git is, I mean, Looker BI is very powerful than any other BI tool. Okay, so that is about basic or introduction about Looker BI. So in the upcoming video we'll discuss what we call how to access the Looker BI. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.